Go.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, Charleston.
Charleston, y'all, you guys are rocking that stage. It looks really good. We did kickaways today. Super fun. So we sort of practice them by doing this. This is like once you're sort of into it. Bam, bam, bam. All double kick, double kick, double kick, double kick, double kick. Did we all start to get those double kicks next? That was great. When we're going out here, remember, we're trying to turn away from each other, have a little tension so that we don't quite get to, but we feel this buildup of energy between us, and it helps us to get back here. And then here, I'm catching Maddie's hip, not like the waist is at the hip, and we actually kind of squeezing into each other, and that helps us get back out here. So there should be a feeling on each side, not just positions you're supposed to hit. You're trying to go, go, go. There's no particular one place you're supposed to be. Go that way, go this way. Yeah? The way we get into it is we break up a basic in the middle. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 5 is very important. That's when we start doing the kickaways. I'll take my hand from here. I'll put it here and give that nudge on 5, and that's the kickaways we've already been doing. Ha. Ha. So watch how we get into it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going. And we're going. You can do this forever. Every time I come back to the hip, I could just grab my knee back and be done. I use the same double kick we got going to just finish out a basic, and we're all done. Get some practice with that, and then next week, we'll do the around the world. Oh, damn, it's gonna be amazing.